Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today this video is going to be in collabs with a company called Hprt. So basically they sent me over this label printer. So pretty much you're able to use this label printer on boxes for shipping. You're able to use it on little different items in your house, like, you know, like mason jars, salt and pepper, anything that needs a label on it. So I have these Stanley cups that me and baby girl have. We are Stanley girls now. Give me the cup. This is Zai's cup. I was gonna put like our names on the cups. Let me see. Okay, this is mine right here, and this is hers. So I'm gonna be putting our names on the cup, so that way that if they get misplaced, then we know that they are in fact our cups. So this label printer is retail at $39.99. You can also find it on Amazon. I was just on Amazon checking it out again, and they do have a discount code on there to get 40% off. So you open it up, it's just like this. It has Hprt, that is their brand. Again, it is $39.99 on Amazon. And they do have a promotion going on at the moment. It came with a charger cord. And then this is the label printer. It says it on the front. I'm going to look at the instruction manual really quick. Turn on the printer first and hold down the printer with one hand. Grabs the sides of the book cover. So I just turned it on right there. It doesn't say if I need to put paper in just yet, but let me see. So on the inside, when you open it up, it does have some labels already in there. I'm just going to take the sticker off. Put one of the labels off. You have to turn it on first, and you hold it down the printer with one hand to uplift it outward. So I'm going to put the label side down. So basically when you put it in, you're going to make sure that the labels are face down like this. I'm going to roll it back up a little bit. But when you put it in, you're going to put it in like so. Okay, so I just closed it and the label started coming out. So basically I'm going to go ahead and download the app to be able to get the labels on. So I'm going to go ahead and get my son's phone. I'm going to scan the QR code. And then I'm going to go ahead and download the label and connect the printer to it. I'm going to go ahead and scan this QR code right here. So the app is called Hprt. That's what you should see once you scan the QR code.
I got you.
And I'm just downloading it. It's loading right now. So since she's going to be taking her Stanley Cup to school, so I was like, since the Stanley Cup is $40, I'm not going to let her take it to school without having a label on it. So this printer came in handy for just that. So it says, once you download it, you will need to turn on your Bluetooth. And then I'm going to just connect the printer. So So it is connected, and it tell you guys that it's at 58% charge. So you can charge this with a regular port, wall charger port, or you can also use like a laptop to charge it. Okay, so I'm gonna go to new label, click on right there. And then you could like basically type whatever you want to type in. So I'm going to type, let me see, I can also put a picture on it too. So if you want to put like pictures, you can select like your photos and pick whatever pictures that are in your phone. That's pretty cool. So I'm just going to like write her name and just put like Zyla Williams. It doesn't let you put like emojis. So I just put her name and then I hit OK. And then it should look something like this and make it a little bigger. Like that. And I'm gonna hit save, so it's saving it. And then, how do I print now? Oh, and then I'll just go right here to hit. Oh, so you can add some pictures on there right there. I don't know what I clicked on. So since this is a cup. Oh, okay, so right here, click on sticker. And then on the sides right here, it gives you different options.
Can I pick one?
So you can do like festival.
Can I pick
like if you have like a festival event. You can do frames. So different types of frames. It's pretty cool.
Can I do it?
And then you can do like kitchen. It gives you like kitchen items. Pretty cool. Clothing. So what I'm gonna do is just take out a basic frame. And then I'll just make it big enough to like cover her name, so it looks like that. So it says Zyla Williams. So actually I have to make it small so that it's small enough to fit in the label. I guess you have to go back a little bit or click on it. Gotta make her name actually small. So that's pretty neat. So basically you can't go outside the white borders. I don't know if you guys can really see it. So it's pretty much like right in the middle. Now I'm just gonna hit print and see what happens. So let's see, y'all. Standard print. So it says it's printing. Wow, that's pretty cool.
Little.
So it came out and it has her name on it. So that's pretty cool.
It's little.
Zyla Williams.
It's little.
So this is really cool. So what I'll do is just like on the bottom of her cup. I'll just stick it on like that. So if it gets misplaced, they know that it belongs to Zyla Williams. So pretty cool. So be sure to check them out. I will link everything in the description. Like I said, right now on their site, they have a 40% off on Amazon. It is $39.99. So be sure to check them out. This is a really cool printer. I'm going to use this for like holidays when I want to do like the kids' little name tags for like the Christmas and stuff, because they do have a Christmas option on there. And then also, like I said, you guys can use like pictures that are in your phone, which is pretty cool. Let me just try to print a picture out just to see. I'll just print a random picture out on my son's phone just to see how it looks now, because I'm curious. And then I'll show you guys how that looks. Okay, so when you select the photo, it should light up orange. I'm going to just hit the OK button. So I have it like fitted in the middle of the label printer. I'm just going to hit print. Oh, but it comes out in like black and white. So it might look funny like that.
Yeah, do it.
Let me just print it out just to see what it looks like still.
I want to see.
Yeah, so it looks like that. But that's still pretty cool. So be sure to check them out, y'all. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time. Bye, y'all.
She fill my mind up with ideas.